Massive breaking news for Tesla in Europe. Full self-driving Supervised is finally on the cusp of approval in the Netherlands, and that could mean a rapid rollout across the EU this summer. Tesla just dropped this update on their Europe, Middle East and Africa channels, and I've got all the details, the insane testing scale behind it, and what this means for us in the UK and beyond. Right, let's get on with it, 'cause I'm excited! Together with the RDW, the Dutch Vehicle Authority, we have officially completed the final vehicle testing phase for full self-driving Supervised, and have submitted all documentation required for the UN R171 approval plus Article 39 exemptions. I'll explain what they are in a mo. The RDW team is now reviewing the documentation and test results packaging internally. They have communicated the expected approval for Netherlands date of the 4th of October. Damn it! Really? That far away? No, it's the 10th of April. Shifting from the 3rd of the 20th previously. Can we all just agree it makes more sense to say the day, the month and then the year, rather than this bizarre way round of month first, then day, then the year? That makes no sense at all. Anyway, the expected approval for Netherlands date is the 10th of April. And we look forward to successful completion of this cooperation. Woohoo, indeed! This is fantastic news, a true breakthrough. It finally brings Tesla's cutting-edge, AI-powered, full self-driving Supervised to millions of European drivers, potentially much sooner than some people expected. Assuming timelines hold, I mean, we all know how that goes sometimes. But once the Netherlands green lights it on April the 10th, mutual recognition could unlock a rapid EU-wide rollout by summer, transforming daily drives with smarter navigation, hands-off convenience and massive safety gains from Tesla's proven vision system. Having wasted half an hour of my existence watching a Carwow video earlier, I guess I'll have to debunk this idiotic, dangerous comparison of him fitting an illegal autonomous driving device and comparing it to Tesla's autopilot, not FSD, as this title claimed, that's weirdly now been changed. As Carwow continues to mislead its 11 million subscribers with utterly shameful content, from backpedaling about which car really won in reviews, literally changing the ending and blaming the editor after the video's gone live, to Matt Watson's inability to even get into a Tesla, despite driving them for years and even buying his mum one, presumably before EDS truly hit. Their attempt to discredit Tesla at every turn is pure propaganda at this point. But back to Tesla's actual life-saving technology. The future of driving is arriving. Please do like and subscribe before we go on to help this video get shared to more people. I don't think many people know what's coming. Following the Netherlands approval, European countries will be able to recognise this approval nationally. We are anticipating a possible EU-wide approval during the summer. Over the past 18 months, this approval has involved a series of intense documentation, development, testing, research and audit, including, but certainly not limited to, 1.6 million kilometres of FSD supervised testing on EU roads, 13,000 plus customer sales ride-alongs, flipping heck, I didn't know there was that many, 4,500 plus test track scenario executions, and thousands of pages of written documentation for 400 plus compliance requirements, and dozens of research studies into safety, performance and results. Let's talk about the sheer scale of what Tesla and the RDW team have accomplished over the past 18 months to get us here, because this isn't some checkbox exercise, is it? This is serious, world-class engineering and safety validation tailored to Europe's unique roads. I mean, first, 1.6 million kilometres of FSD supervised testing right here on real EU roads. That's like circling the Earth more than 40 times, dealing with everything from narrow Dutch streets and Paris roundabouts to German autobahns and Italian mountain passes, all to prove the system handles our diverse traffic, cyclists, trams and unpredictable weather. Then more than 13,000 customer ride-alongs, actual owners and potential buyers hopping in passenger seats across multiple countries, experiencing FSD in live traffic. These weren't just demos, these were real-world feedback loops that helped refine and validate the system under everyday European conditions. Flipping genius, isn't it? Add in over 4,500 test track scenario executions, controlled, repeatable, challenges at test facilities like RDW's own circuit in Lelystad where we've just been, pushing the limits on edge cases like sudden cut-ins, emergency braking, pedestrian avoidance and complex intersections. I had a lovely weekend at the RDW test facility. If you missed my road trip and light show, card in the corner, or I'll line that video up next. It's well worth a watch. Behind those 4,500 track test scenario executions, thousands of pages of detailed written documentation covering more than 400 specific compliance requirements under the UN Regulation 171 and EU rules. Every line of code, every safety decision, every performance metric meticulously documented and audited. I mean, blimey, I wonder how many members of staff actually work at RDW, or whether AI was implemented to shift through that enormous amount of video data. What do you reckon? How did they do that? And finally, dozens of independent research studies analysing safety performance and results, hard data showing how FSD Supervised compares or exceeds human drivers in key metrics, building an ironclad case for approval. This isn't hype, this is evidence. Tesla have been working extremely hard to provide everything and more to the RDW to meet Europe's high safety standards head on. And now, with everything submitted and under final review, we're looking at the green light in Netherlands on April the 10th, which could unlock FSD Supervised across the EU by summer. European Tesla owners, your patience is about to pay off in a massive way. Tesla's post ends with, "We're extremely proud of the work conducted with the RDW team up until this point. We very much look forward to the approval in April and sharing FSD Supervised with our patient EU customers." Two big questions remain for me then. When might the UK get the green light? And jumping further ahead, how soon could unsupervised FSD be with us? As in true autonomy at a Robotaxi, unoccupied level, where I could summon my car to come and collect me from the pub. According to Grok, a UK green light for FSD Supervised looks likely mid to late 2026. The UK, post-Brexit, follows its own path via the Vehicle Certification Agency and Automated Vehicles Act that came through in 2024. It could recognise Dutch EU process or run parallel local testing, for example right-hand drive tweaks, which we know Tesla UK has already been doing and gathering the data in the right-hand drive market. Potentially launching supervised FSD for personal Teslas by summer or fall 2026, though some sources say it might trail the EU slightly. Unsupervised FSD, true autonomy, much further out, 2027 or later in Europe and UK realistically. That's not really that far away, is it, in the grand scheme of things? Especially at the rapid speed of life right now. Is it just me who's noticing this as I'm getting older? Or is time actually speeding up? I know as you get older, each year feels shorter because it represents a smaller fraction of your total life so far. Like 1 year is 1/10 or 10% of a 10-year-old's life, but only 1/45 or 2% of a 45-year-old's life, like mine. I guess that explains why time is speeding up. I'm digressing, aren't I? Tesla's full self-driving Supervised represents one of the most transformative technologies of our time, dramatically improving road safety by reducing major collisions to rates far lower than human drivers. Data shows vehicles with FSD engaged experience one major crash roughly every 5.3 million miles, compared to the US average of one every 660,000 miles. Potentially preventing tens of thousands of fatalities and millions of injuries annually if scaled broadly. I don't know about you, but I'm rather happy to see a new safety feature that's going to save millions of lives and fatalities per year. But beyond safety, it delivers unparalleled convenience, hands-free navigation through complex city streets, automatic lane changes, traffic light and stop sign handling, parking, and effortless long drives that eliminate fatigue and stress. Looking ahead as it evolves towards unsupervised autonomy and robotaxi fleets, FSD could slash transportation costs, reduce urban congestion, free up billions of hours in productivity, and reshape cities by making personal car ownership optional. I've gone into a lot of depth about a lot of these points in previous videos, but this isn't just an upgrade, it's a fundamental shift in how we move. So are you ready for a world where your car drives better than you ever could? No offence, but it will. Here's my road trip video to Amsterdam and the RDW testing facility. Check it out next. Let me know what you think of this in the comments. I will. This is the Tesla Jigsaw. Thank you, patrons. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.